formality prevailed there. The other organizations were characterized by more formality. Now, probably that is the reason which has given this kind of attraction for people to come into this meeting, even though the original company is not in existence today.
It's wonderful to meet all of you this evening. On 20th December 1986, fresh out of college, I joined this company as the first employee on the rolls. I stayed with the company for 7 years, then moved on. I tried something on my own, and then I came back to working life, worked for larger companies. The best and the most creative period of my life was the 7 years I spent with Transmatic. As many of you will realize, there is no career adventure like participating in an idea struggling to be born. And that was Transmatic. In the backdrop, there was also a larger adventure, where as a nation, we were breaking free and growing as an economic power. It was not evident when we started because we were right at the beginning of the journey.
Okay. Mohan Sukumar with his wife Bedu. Royce, come with your family, please. This program would have been this much successful. Thank you very much, Jay Babu, back home. Jay Babu was in R&D with me, and he is still with me in Suntech. And his wife Nitya is a school teacher. And where is Minu? Hey, Minu. Minu is studying in Holy Angel School. Thank you very much, Babu. Back home. Iram Scientific, and he recently joined that as an head of R&D. And Suja was with me in my previous organization, UST Global, and she was working with my group in that company. And Suja and Rajesh has got Ashwin Rajesh. He is doing 8th standard in Lala School. Wow! Thank you very much, Rajesh and Suja. Balachandran was with us in marketing, and he is now in Excel Animation Studies in Trivandrum with us, and we again united in UST Global. I left UST Global about 3 years ago. Still Rajan is in UST Global. Rajan's wife Rahi and Bharat Raj doing work, and I also work with him in earlier days. And Abhilash's wife Dr. Shiva Abhilash, and Rishikesh is wonderful son. Thank you, Abhilash. And long association with him in the past with Transmatic. Presently, Madhu is General Manager Operations in Nortec Infotech in Trivandrum. His wife Rekha, and she's an engineer. And Aparna doing BTech, and Aishwarya by their United degree. And Sumesh is presently the program manager of Honeywell. Shanti is doing program manager Wireless BU Tata Galaxy Limited. Both of them are in Bangalore. And they have Sarah Sumesh doing with the R&D Transmatic. Again, we work together in US Technology. Now he's still in US Technology, and his wife is Anushree, a lecturer in LBS. And Trishya Nair is his daughter. Thank you, sir. Vinod is doing his business, and he was in purchase department of Transmatic, and recently he is in Trivandrum. Wife Rajini SR, and daughter Govind, Gaudam and Govind are the children. Thank you, Vinod, for coming. Vijitambi is technology as a test consultant, and his wife Gina. Shreya, Elsa Biji, and Mia, Anna are their kids. Thank you. In All India Radio, his wife Uma, and she's an agricultural officer. And Gautam doing 9th standard, and Gauri completed 12th. Thank you very much. They are here for vacation, and Biju could not make it today. And all of them are living in the US. Gauri is doing her 5th standard. Harikrishnan is doing his 1st standard. Computer Engineering, Kerala Government Polytechnic in Kakinad, right? Suresh, Kozhikode, sorry. And his wife Jisha and Ishan son doing UKG. Thank you. There are a lot of people joined US Technology from Transmatic. Still is in US Technology's wife, Betsy Abraham. Thank you, Sibi, and thank you, Betsy. 20 years. And mostly one of the senior member in the company. Thank you, Lakshmi, for being with us. And her husband, Balakrishnan, and he's an accountant. And Devan Nevanarayanan joined software division. And presently he's a consultant on his own. And his wife, Tanya. And Kannan, Ashwati, and Ashwin are their kids. They're ready to go to the school. and he's here alone. Lal. Next, Lal. Lal was also with R&D. Now he is the General Manager, Navicare Technologies, Technopark, Trivandrum. Lal, Sri Priya is his wife, and Sri Govind doing first standard. They are not here to. Are they here today? No, they are not here today. Thank you very much, Lal and Vinod. Ranjit was with R&D software, and now he is working in UST Global. And yes, rest of the informations are not given. Want to hide? He is married, and he has got gifts, furniture, Trivandrum, and Rajeshri is his wife. Manu S. Kumar is his son, doing kindergarten. Yeah, he's doing MBBS. Thank you, son. Solutions, Shastmangalam and Trivandrum. His wife, Isabel, and here they have two kids, Kiandra and Gia. Thank you, Ruske. And marketing department, one of the very senior employee of Transmatic, and her husband, Surendran, and son Nandan. Nandan is doing 9th standard. Thank you, Sudharma and Nandan. Again joined back Transmatic as a consultant, and his wife Lata. Akina and Abina are their daughters, and Akina doing BCom. Abina is doing +2, and Akina is going to perform. And Lakshmi is his wife. She's a homemaker. Bhadra doing first standard, Darshan also Smatic. Later, he is now presently working as project manager Nest Technopark, and Dipti is his wife. She's a lecturer in Polytechnic, and Nandana Rajesh doing 2nd standard, and Niranjan Tejesh support engineer in Mumbai. In fact, a lot of us really, was there and interact with Das, and so his hospitality is so famous. And now presently Das is with Wipro Limited Mysore, and his wife Sri Aya and Shruti Akshada are the kids. Shruti is doing the first standard. Thank you, Das. And Ardi doing 11th. Thank you. Back home. You want to say something?
Yeah, good evening everyone. It's been a fantastic get together being here as a part of this family. It's been 13 plus 10, I think 23 years totally where my career has gone.
And he is presently teaching vocational higher secondary school in Nadumangad, and his wife Dr. Chitra Devi, Siddharth and Aishwarya are their children. Thank you, Sri Kumar, for coming.
He's good.
Chanda was in marketing, especially TCM marketing in Transmatic, and he's presently in Hyderabad as a regional manager Medicare TPA services. He has also got a lot of side business, okay? He's going to talk about one of them today. And his wife, Girija Kumari, and
international person. It is right now around 350 shops. It is going ahead. It's going for the 10th print. I have a commitment for one book. 2 books I wanted to give free. Those who sincerely say their achievement in this professional life due to the affection and sacrifice of our directors. Those who wanted to say first 2 very secretly to me, I wanted to give them free of charge.
Transmatic, and seeing the smiling face of Raji Chechi gives us boost for energy. I must tell you that. Thank you, Chechi. And she is here, and we all are blessed. Thank you, Chechi, for coming. Indu Prakash, Malayalam song, and we are going to hear from him. And he is still in Excel Transmatic CST. He has been there for 10 years. Hindu, married to Meera. Deva Prakash is their global as a marketing executive, and Arun has Darshana Arun, wife, Aparna Lakshmi, Adarsh Arun. Aparna is doing 6th standard and Adarsh is doing 1st standard. Any mistake? No problem. Thank you. Thank you very much, Arun. In purchase for long and presently, hey, please come forward. And presently he is holding the general managerial position of Wipro Infotech Bangalore. And Sandhya was also with us in Transmatic earlier. That's why they are living together today. And Sandhya and Rajesh has Advait and Ayush are their children. And Advait is doing engineering and Ayush is in 2nd standard. Would you like to say a few words?
Good evening, friends. It's a great privilege for me to be standing in front of all of you, and I feel so excited. And from 4 o'clock, I'm in tears, seeing all of you and all of you talking about how we were together, as Mr. Ravindran and Mr. Narayanan said.
Hey, hold on. And Shiva has Deepa Shivakumar as his wife. Thank you, and she is not here today. Thank you very much, Shiva, for coming. Mary, thank you very much first of all for coming last week from Chennai, and his family is not here at the Softland India. He is the managing director of Softland India, and his wife Manjula, she's at home and settled in Trivandrum and is working as a consultant from home, and his wife Anu Thomas, Sarah, doing 3rd standard, and Dan.
with Transmatic, especially with you colleagues.
Good evening, friends. It has been a wonderful occasion, this reunion of our Transmatic. And I'm extremely glad that Manu has organized this. Congratulations to Manu and Madhu, everybody.
Friend and a human being, always with us in our troubled times and keeps us, we very good of Tamil Nadu district. And we reached there with a PC in a Transmatic, and he was heading R&D division after.
എൻ്റെ പേരിലുമുള്ള നന്ദി ആദ്യമായിട്ട് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞുകൊള്ളുന്നു. സെക്കൻഡ് തിങ് ഈസ് ഞാൻ ഇന്നിവിടെ നിൽക്കുന്നത് just because of Transmatics. ഒരുപാട് സ്റ്റോറീസ് ഉണ്ട്. I don't want to narrate all those stories right now. The support I received from Transmatics, Mr. Narayan, Mr. Ravindran, and so on.
A few minutes. So you return back. Thank you very much, Kumar, for coming. Miranda, Adrian was in marketing department and for long, and is now presently Emma is a homemaker, and Miranda and and married to Lekha. She is a homemaker. Thank you, Lekha, for coming. Gopika Krishna doing 10th standard, Deepika Krishna 7th standard. Thank you, Uday. 30 seconds.
Well, I'll be brief because whatever I wanted to say, everybody has said, so I repeat the same thing. All I have to say is...
And Minnie was also working there, that's why they are living together. And Arjun Madhu doing 12th standard, and Bharat Madhu doing 8th standard. Thank you, Madhubalan and Minnie, for coming here. Thank you very much. Rajesh George, ISR. Rajesh married to Nimi. She's working in Shirak. There will be 10 questions, and we will run this quiz in between. So keep yourself, and the success is how fast you type and send the right answer. First question is, how many times can you subtract 5 from 25? Dial the answer, SMS your answer to 0956